Hello! In the previous video, I showed you how to use the Windows Snap feature in Windows 10 using the mouse. In this video, I'll show you how to use the same snapping feature using the keyboard instead. So let's get started. In the first part of this video, I'll show you why the Windows key is your friend. And using the Windows key in combination with the 4 arrow keys, up, down, left and right, will get you docking windows in Snap. In the second part of the video, I'll demonstrate how to quickly dock 3 open windows. To maximize a window that is not already docked, select it and press the Windows key together with the up arrow key. To minimize a window that is not already docked, select it and press Windows key together with the down arrow key. To snap or dock a window that is not already docked to the left half of your screen, select it and press the Windows key together with the left arrow key. Now you can do the same to dock a window to the right half of your screen using the Windows key together with the right arrow key. Once a window is docked to the left or right half of your screen, you can pretty much move it around to any quadrant edge using the Windows key together with the 4 arrow keys. Now again, a quadrant edge is 1/4 of your screen. Now I'll demonstrate how to quickly dock 3 open windows. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing CBSI.